Hello everyone, my name is Shubhajit and today we will be discussing the sixth problem of the useRef problem solving series, which is focus the search field. So you are able to see that there is a very simple UI which we have today. So we have a nav element. Inside that we have a button with search, and we have an input element with a placeholder looking for something. Okay, so basically we have a button and an input element. Let me show you the UI also. What we are trying to achieve, first let us know. So basically whenever the UI loads, you can see that if I type something, nothing will happen. So I just want for the first step, so there will be two steps to this problem. The first step of this problem, what I want you to do is whenever this search is clicked, this input box should be focused. Okay, whenever this search is clicked, this input box should be focused. How can we do that? So whenever I'm saying the input box should be focused, it means that I am trying to have some DOM manipulation here. Okay, so for DOM manipulations, we will require the useRef hook. Let's actually create a useRef hook. Const searchref is equals to useRef. Yeah, and initialize it with null. Then we have to tag that searchref with a ref property to that DOM element which we want to play around with or which we want to manipulate. Okay, so ref is equals to search ref. Now it's tagged. If I want to show you, okay, I will show you in a while. So this is done. I have a search ref, and that search ref is now tagged to the input HTML tag. Now what we want, I want that whenever this search is clicked, some handle click function is triggered on click of the search. Const handle click, and let me console log the searchref dot current to show you that what is actually coming inside it. Let me inspect. Whenever I am clicking this search button, can you see that input, and it's being highlighted also here. Whenever I hover over this, it's highlighted. It means that that input tag is present inside the searchref current property. Okay, as I have console logged it. Now whenever it is clicked, what I want that it should focus. Let me comment it, and I can do it with the help of DOM manipulation. Searchref dot current dot focus. So on the input element, we have a focus property, focus method, which we can call, and then this input property will get focused. Let's see it into action. Whenever I click search, can you see that now I'm able to type it? I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying. On clicking search, this uh, input text box is focused and we are able to directly click on it, directly type on it. According to me, this also is an intermediate behavior. The best behavior would be whenever the page is loaded, this input tag should have a focus, and then we are able to directly type over it, and we can call search to send this text to somewhere else. So sending this text to somewhere else, I will not do it in this video, but what we can do is on the page load, whenever the whole of this component mounts, I want this input to be focused. If you have seen my previous videos, you would have guessed it right by now that for this type of behavior, whenever the UI stops loading or whenever the UI completes loading, after that, if we want to do some action, then we want the use effect hook, and that's how the use effect hook will come into picture. So if you are wondering that what I am doing, what I'm writing, please go through the use effect hook video which is already present in the channel. Then you can come here, you will definitely understand what each and every step is happening. Okay, so inside the use effect hook, the first mount, I will just say, okay, that's fine. Just do one thing, search ref dot current dot focus, and I will remove this handle click to the console log only. So now this is the scenario that whenever the whole UI loads, after that, just focus the input element. Let's see how it is going. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. Can you see it's focused already? If I go out of it and then refresh it, it's still focused and I am directly able to write it. Are you able to understand that? Yes. So that is the whole idea about using the user hook with for DOM manipulation here. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. I will be really happy to help. Thanks a lot, guys.